everyone, welcome to the channel. On today's episode, we're heading out to Canmore to go check out the old engine bridge and do some hiking around town. And then after we're done that, we're going to have a nice little lunch that we packed and head out to Lower Kananaskis Lake and try our luck at catching some big trout. Hopefully the weather holds out because it snowed like crazy for the last couple days, and we're gonna see what happens here when we get out there.
We arrived in Canmore. How was the drive?
It was long, but it was lots of good views out there today.
Yes, it's beautiful. Very sunny.
Mountains look really high def.
-10 outside, but so pretty. It's busy in here. Scary. There's people outside. So many peoples. Look at the peoples.
Beaver Tail's world famous pastries. That guy's not gonna fit in there. He doesn't know how to back in there. Up on the sidewalk. Right up on the curb.
Bang. Nope. Oh, the bagel.
He's gonna hit that car.
Bagel place.
Did he just hit it?
Did he? Couldn't do it.
Can't do it. Should we go steal a spot now? Feels like we're just gonna park here. People there.
Yep. People staying here.
There's all the people. I can go like this.
That is cool.
Take some landscapes. Valentine's Day bridges this time.
Make a video in Canmore. Follow me to the woods. I won't kill you, I promise. Follow me. Crunch, crunch. You hear the crunch. Okay, there's a lot of people coming in here now.
Oh no.
Be fast.
Welcome to North 30. I'm sorry about the long intro, but today we're going to learn about how to make intro videos. Could do a couple. Hey everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to the channel. We are heading out to Canmore today to go check out the old engine bridge and hit some trails around town. Should we do a cheers?
With what? Mine is empty now.
So, nobody asked, like, how did you chug that so fast?
It wasn't very hot
Oh.
because it had milk in it, so.
Cheers.
Cheers.
North 30 Co here, and today we are heading out to Canmore to go check out the old engine bridge. Don't know why I emphasize so long on the old, but it's an old bridge,
It's
so.
very old.
And hopefully the ice is thicker than 5 inches.
That sounds scary.
Suspense. Insert suspense music here.
Ooh.
Good morning, Vietnam. I'm just going like, welcome back to the channel. No? Welcome, wandering souls, to North 30. Today, we're learning how to become vloggers so that we can join late blooming into this entertainment business.